Hello everybody, I'm standing here in this lovely park in Smallheath. There's a lot of preparation going on. There's a little bit of difference this time in the event. We've consulted with Green Lane, they're my partners, Green Lane Masjid, and the prices have come down this time to make it, because of the cost of living, we're very aware of that, but all Green Lane's costs have gone up for putting the event on, with security, road closures, and lots more things, what goes along with it, hidden costs, what come to a lot of money, as is the fair, with our costs going up, the insurances and fuel and staff and so on. But taking all that away, you know, the event is in this lovely park, and it is a lovely park. If you get some sunshine here, families come and picnic and sit together and just enjoy the day. So what I say to you, you know, come and down and enjoy it. It is an affordable event, and the fair's there, and there's all family rides. That's what we cater for, the family. So to everybody, come and support the event please, to make it worthwhile. So just come and down and enjoy the prayer meeting, enjoy the day.